Lately, everyone seems to be concerned with the Instagram algorithm. But do you know what it does to your content as a brand or an influencer? In recent years, Instagram has gone through a significant transformation that includes changing its logo, app aesthetics, and most importantly, how it ranks your content. So if you want to grow your following from scratch, you need to grab Algo the Bull by its horns. What's up, guys? In today's video, you'll find out all about the mysterious Instagram algorithm. So if you're ready to make the best of the algorithm to grow on Instagram this year, let's get into it. How does Instagram algorithm work in 2021? First, let's talk about the ways the elusive algorithm works today. Basically, the Instagram algorithm is responsible for curating posts that appear on your followers' main feed while they're using the app. Now, how does it prioritize? Simply put, it ranks based on high engagement, the value it provides, and relevance. This flowchart will help you further understand how the algorithm works. So basically, once you publish your content, it will appear in only 10% of your audience's feed. If they engage with your content, the algorithm pushes it on the feed of more users. As more and more users engage with the post, soon the algorithm will realize that your content is worthy of the Explore page and rank your post on the hashtag. Once your content appears on the Explore feed, it will actually be trending. This means that more people will see and engage with your content, eventually increasing your audience. However, if you fail to grab the first 10% of your viewers, the algorithm will reduce your reach and your post will not make it further. However, if you can generate a good number of likes and comments and still feel your engagement is low, this is because the new algorithm is not as simple as it seems. Now, this is how your algo ranks your posts. It gives the highest priority to content that people save more, so you need to share many helpful tips and tricks, DIYs, tutorials, and fun ideas that your audience cannot resist but hit that save button. Next, it notices what people are sharing more. For this, you have to create unique share-worthy content. You can also run contests, asking your followers to repost an image or video as much as possible. Then comes getting genuine comments on the content you share. You can ask your audience questions, take their opinion, share a personal experience or story, and ask them to share theirs and add a CTA in your captions to encourage your followers to leave a comment. Finally comes the like button, which appears to be the least important to the algo. That said, getting likes is necessary for your reach, but the Insta algo is not only about getting maximum likes. A quick tip to increase hits on the like button is to use the newly launched Reels feature. It's a fun addition, and the algorithm seems to be loving it. However, you have to be consistent with Reels, use appropriate hashtags, and post them in your feed as well, and not only the Reels tab. While the Instagram algorithm can fluctuate, the ranking strategy comes down to 3 prime factors. Number 1, relationship with your followers. The algorithm takes into account your relation with the user. Now, what does this mean? Basically, if a person has interacted with your content before, the algorithm will infer that the user likes your content and will show your posts more on their feed. Moreover, it will prioritize your content for that particular user based on if the person has searched you by name, do you interact with each other on posts, DMs, or stories? If both of you follow each other, have they ever tagged you in their posts? If they have ever saved your posts. In case you're a brand, naturally, your followers won't be your best buddies. But if your customers follow and engage with your content, rest assured the algorithm will acknowledge that and boost your organic reach. Number 2, content timeline. Similar to many other social platforms, the Instagram algorithm also prioritizes recent posts over old ones. Although your audience may see all your posts in their feed, the algorithm is likely to rank the newest ones higher. So if you're a brand, this is a good tactic to increase your engagement. According to research conducted by Sprout Social, the content published between Tuesday and Friday between 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. received the maximum engagement. Based on this, you can post during any of these timings or use a scheduling app such as Buffer Publish to publish your content on time and make your life easier. Number 3. Interest. The algorithm shows people what they want to see. Based on interaction, it analyzes what the user resonates with and likes to see more of. Interestingly, this is why football videos may appear more on football fans' feed, baking recipes on foodies, and workout inspiration on someone looking to lose weight. What does this mean for you as a brand? It means that if you want your content to reach your target audience, you have to deliver the content that resonates with them. If you've reached this far, make sure you stick till the end because we bring you some fantastic growth hacks to maximize your engagement. How can you beat the algorithm to grow on Instagram? Now that you're savvy enough with the Instagram algorithm, let's apply that knowledge to increase your following under the new algorithm. Use your niche to post valuable content. Suffice it to say, you need a niche to build your content around. Ask yourself, what type of content will speak for your brand and what your audience prefers to see? You can study your industry, check similar Instagram accounts, and check what other people are posting about. You can take inspiration from them to plan your own content and make it better. And most importantly, remember, quality over quantity always. Post regularly. Posting content consistently on your Instagram handle is vital to your outreach. A study by Tailwind concluded that brands who posted more often had an improved engagement rate. In fact, with time, they see a significant increase in followers. So you know what you have to do. Just post once daily, but don't expect overnight results. Slowly but surely, the algorithm will reward you for your efforts. Make use of hashtags. Hashtags allow your content to be noticed by users who don't follow you yet. So, using the right hashtags is key to reaching out to a wider audience. Besides, you can use apps like InTags or Tagify to generate the best hashtags for your Instagram posts. And although Instagram allows you to embed 30 hashtags in a single post, it's best to only use 9. This is because one study revealed that posts with at least 9 hashtags in their caption received higher engagement. Another way you can make the best of the hashtag feature is to research and find out which hashtags your competitors and similar profiles are using. Also, follow relevant hashtags through the search bar and you will be able to see which hashtag is used more and which ones are doing better with engagement. Organize contests. Contests are a great way to lure your audience to engage with your content. You must bring creative ideas to make the contest more interesting, such as asking your followers to repost an image or post a video captioning your hashtag and handle name to increase visibility. Here are some quick engagement hacks. We already discussed how you can grow your Instagram following this year. However, increasing your followers and increasing your engagements are two different things altogether. So, here's what you need to do if you want to boost your engagement. As we already discussed how the algorithm gives preference to two-way communication, so it's a good idea to interact with your followers by replying to their comments, hashtags, and DMs. Did you know that you can write a good 2,200 characters in the Instagram caption box? When you put a lengthy caption, your audience gets to spend more time on your profile, which is one of the factors that contribute to increased engagement. Now, it isn't necessary to write a 1,000-word story in each post, but writing something that your audience finds useful is better than awkward emojis. Instagram is bringing new features all the time so that you can interact with your audience better. Besides, did you notice that video content gets the most engagement on Instagram? After IGTV, it has recently launched Reels inspired by TikTok. Creating content with both these tools increases your chances to get featured on the Discover page and boost engagement. Use Instagram influencers to create content for your brand. It can be an ad or a video reviewing your products. You can also provide them with a specific discount code they can mention in their post. This is a great marketing tactic to divert their followers to your social media handles. The Instagram algorithm can sure be overwhelming sometimes. However, with the right strategies, you can use it to reach a massive following and increase your engagement, and that too organically. Thank you for watching this video. Before we go, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!